So hello everyone, myself Ayush Mishra. I study in Impress Academy, and it is a very important topic I'm going to deliver in 2021 because I'm going to talk about headlines of 2020. It was really a very year that we have not expected, and we can call an unexpected year for all of us. It was with the many things and with many headlines except coronavirus, and it was the one thing where we all faced a kind of situation we have never expected, and the one of that was the lockdown. Many of the generation have never seen the lockdown, never seen the impact of lockdown and what really means to lockdown. The generation has learned and what it has really made us countries secured from the COVID-19 inflammation and spread its really impact. The first headline I think about the 2020 was CAA NRC, mean the National Record of Citizenship Amendment Act, that was a protesting a kind of attitude in whole India, and that made much more headlines in whole over the India from January to the February months. And it was a kind of a topic which was hot topic and hot content of news and media, and it was totally, I took it as a headline of 2020 because it's really impacted on our India and much took the foreign sides for the country to contradiction. And second is that India-China conflicts. It's really impact of that from the March to April. It has been a big part of the Indian news, and it became the debate content of the everyday's evening of the media news channel, because it was a conflict where Indian many metros would get down, and very a kind of conflict that between the political agenda too was played with the propaganda of news media channels. And it was a thing that where India faced China and India faced a kind of a contradiction towards it, and many exports and import were abolished, and with the kind of deals which were hanged out, and it seems that India was totally contradicting China's policies. And third was GDP contracts. Because of lockdown, definitely it was we definitely expecting, and whole world sees it, and India's got in 40 years first time the 23.9% decrease in GDP, and that goes in minus, and it was in first time in 40 years happened, and that's to cause to the current government to be in the news for making the GDP get down. And the last not, but Ram Temple Foundation was definitely a kind of concern which was from a long time, and 150 years concern that was finally got in the Supreme Court, and that was announced that it would be now founded, and the foundation was laid by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and now it has started to be built up. And for a new Hinduism India, it is a kind of a generation where India celebrated about the Ram Mandir temple. And after that, the last one was that farm law and protest. It is really still going on, but the farm law definitely started in 2020, and that still makes some impact on news and media channel, and it is also current topic of the whole media and news channel. And I see always on day to day the Twitter hashtags over going on the farm law and getting protest over that. And the bill that has been passed now has stopped because of the protest over the 22 months, and that caused the Supreme Court to make decision against the government, and that is totally in this time the contradiction. So these were some points that took in the 2020 that was mainly highlighted. And with that, a last one that was really not a big concern, but definitely Delhi riots where 42 people get killed off, and that was really a kind of concern where, as like in the foreign country of the Black Lives Matter, it was definitely a kind of thing similarly happening in Delhi, and that's called the riots. And it was a similar thing that Supreme Court too precise, but it was a thing that still have not gotten any result and justice over that. So these things were important. And a foreign thing that was definitely a kind of important about that is Namaste Trump. And it was a Trump tour to India, to Gujarat, Motera Stadium, and that was definitely a kind of huge opportunity to India to make a relationship with the foreign countries and with the superpower of the world, with America to get. And as the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Trump said many much more things about the India, and it was a good relationship. So it was the bound of the humans, so it caused India's much to get allowed. So all the thing was very good, but one thing that India is still facing is COVID-19. Vaccines has definitely arrived in India, and it has started to vaccinate it. But one thing that we all need to stay and focused about, that is we have to be precautious about the COVID-19 inflammation and spread, and stay happy and stay blessed. I hope you enjoyed my topic.